Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Golden Bay Supply out of San Francisco, California. They're a distributor of Thai products, and the fellow from there got a hold of me. He sent me an email, nice guy, hey man, and said that they had some stuff they wanted me to give them my opinion on. So they sent a box over and we had a good talk, and yeah, I'm stoked to see what's in this box. It's all stuff I've never tried, so let's crack it open and have a look. Okay, I'm just gonna pick through this thing one thing at a time and show you and have a look myself. What do we got here? Okay, this is one of the brands he mentioned. I've done a few of these, but they've always, when I got them previously, they were completely munched. Here's a chicken instant by Me. This one, I've seen these in a lot of places, and generally I see them in Scandinavia. Yeah, a lot of the online sellers in Scandinavia have these. I wouldn't be surprised if this is like Europe. Yeah, there's a lot of languages on the back. It looks like it's for export to Europe, so cool. And then we got a vegetable one. Vegetable is always interesting because it can, you know, it can be either taste kind of like mushroom or broccoli or butter. I've found a lot of vegetable flavor ones taste like butter. And that kind of tends to be the way with shrimp too. Although it's Thai and it's shrimp, it could be tom yum. Actually, I'm guessing it's going to taste like shrimp because this one actually should taste like tom yum since it says tom yum. Here's a tom yum cup. Oriental beef cup. I'm guessing that's going to have like a basil attribute to it. Now that piques my curiosity. Chicken red curry. Yeah. Is that really what it says? And a chicken green curry. I love green curry. And now we got some stuff that I've really never ever heard of or seen before. And to continue the time-honored tradition of two words said twice in the name of a product from Thailand, in the style of YY, Mama, Yum Yum, and Zao Zao, we have Jub Jub. It says it's original flavor. I don't know. It looks interesting. Thai rice noodle soup, Jub Jub. Yeah, I'll give that a try. And I'm gonna need a little help with what flavor this is. It's called Doo Doo. There's this bag of doo-doo and this bag of doo-doo, and then there's these, and these are like these weird little meal kit things. These are from a company called Sutros. So here's Pad Thai. These are like organic vegan. This looks like super premium, really neat stuff. So Sutros Pad Thai and Tom Yum. Here's a red curry and a yellow curry. He told me there was like all these different curries, and I'm like, ooh, yeah, I'm fascinated. Absolutely fascinated. Thank you. I can't wait to give these a try. Wow, this is really cool. Thank you so much to the folks over at Golden Bay Supply for shooting this over. And yeah, I'll let you know what I think of all these. These are going to be reviewed in short order, I think, because Thai sounds really good in the winter. Yeah. And yeah, cool. You'll start seeing these on Instant Noodle Recipe Time starting in early January. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.